This product was sent to me free from Influencer and L'Oreal in exchange for my honest review. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. By the title, you guys know I'm gonna talk all about skincare today. I love anything and everything beauty, and skincare is at the top of the list. So I received these two products almost a month ago. I received the Age Perfect Anti-Sagging Plus Even Tone. This is the day cream and it has SPF 30. And I also received the accompanying night cream. So these two products promise to intensely rehydrate, redensify, and brighten skin tone. So I'm gonna start with the day cream. I will show you guys what the product looks like. Like I mentioned, I have been testing these products out for at least 3 weeks right now, almost a month. And I have some thoughts about it. I wanted to share it with you guys in case you guys are in the market for new skincare or you wanted to try something different. So I must mention that these products are for maturing skin. I know. After a while, you have to accept where you are in life. And I am at that point where I do have maturing skin. Of course, I do everything possible to take care of it and to delay the signs of aging. That's the reason I'm always trying out new products to find the best in the market. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see, I have been using it religiously. And again, this is the day cream with SPF 30, which is like the best part because it really helps to protect the skin. I do believe that this product was already on the market, but as you can see, it has a new look and then the formulation is also different. So in the morning when I'm starting off my day, I will basically cleanse my skin and then I will go in with a generous amount of this just because it has SPF. So I basically put it all over my face and I just work it in the skin and make sure that it is properly saturated in the skin. What I like about this product is that it feels so much like a high-end product. I like that this is not overly fragrant. It has a very faint, almost non-existent smell, which I appreciate because some products are overly scented and I do not like that. This contains collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. So it's formulated to retighten, redensify, and rehydrate the skin. And in the few weeks I've been using it, I can say that I do feel instantly hydrated when I put this on. It has really helped my skin to look more radiant. So as you age, you basically lose collagen, which is like the natural protein that is present in the skin. So the collagen will just help like retain that volume to your skin and let it look bouncy and youthful and all the good things. So the niacinamide will help also to brighten the skin and to reduce the age spots. I do have quite a few age spots when I don't have a full face of makeup. People call them freckles, black girl freckles, whatever you want to call them. I have those. And I feel like the more I age, the more visible they are. And so, yeah, anything that can help, I'm in, okay? I'm in. This basically retails for $19.99, which I find it to be a little up there in price. You can find them at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, any of the major retailers where L'Oreal products are sold. So together, I do feel like these two make the perfect duo. In addition to all the benefits, these are paraben-free, mineral oil-free, and dye-free. So improving the ingredients of the products while making sure that you're getting the best results. To go with this, they also have an amazing serum, which I do not have, but I've been very tempted to try it. It reminds me of the Lancome Genifique. I will insert a picture right here. It is called the Cell Renewal Anti-Aging Midnight Serum. So I think that might also be a great addition to this duo right here because they all work together. So before putting on the moisturizers, you can definitely go in with the serum. It is very pricey and it's almost $50. This drugstore prices are definitely increasing. I think the price increase is due to the fact that they have increased the formulation of these products. So there's that. So again, this is the new and improved Age Perfect Day and Night Cream by L'Oreal. And these two are the collagen experts. Have you guys tried this? What do you think about it? Are you intrigued? Do you want it? I feel like if you are probably in your 20s and 30s, you might not necessarily need this. I believe that the sooner you start incorporating great products to your skincare routine, I feel like the overall appearance will be better. Okay, so that is my overall experience with the L'Oreal moisturizers. I am enjoying them. Again, like I said, they do feel very high end without the high end price, but for the drugstore, it's still a little bit pricey, but I can see why. And I do feel like the product is very high quality product in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think down below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.